diabetes. The silent vision stealer. More than 463 million people in the world are affected with diabetes. 1/3 of the diabetic patients will get eye problems. Diabetic retinopathy. Rise in blood sugar level. Causes damage to the blood vessels in the retina, leading to diabetic retinopathy. Also causes swelling in the retina, retinal detachment, new blood vessel formation, and leakage of blood vessels in the retina, leading to blurred vision, impaired color vision, eye floaters. It is leading to permanent vision loss if untreated. No symptoms during early stages, visible symptoms only at the final stage. No medical treatment for the final stage. Prevention is better than cure. Regular monitoring and management of sugar level. Management of blood pressure. Checking the cholesterol level periodically. Avoid smoking and drinking. Regular eye checkup is must. Retinal swelling can be treated by 2 methods: injection, laser treatment. Regular retinal checkup once in a 6 months to prevent diabetic retinopathy.